Okay, this is for eBay user TYSW_2402 or 2042, one of the two. This is a video walk around of the Sony camcorder. As you can see, there's the small eyepiece and the large eyepiece. And then here's the charger with the electric cord, and then the looks like the car adapter. The remote control, got a little dust on it, sorry. As you can see, if you look, see infrared, it's working on there, so the remote control works. Here's the wide angle lens. Let's pull off both sides this time. Lens is nice, a little dusty, but it's been set for quite a while. There we go. And then the pièce de résistance, the actual camera itself. Now you were asking about microphone wobble. I don't know if you can see it. There is just a just a little bit of play in the end of it. Of course, there's the line in and all of that. Here's the inputs and outputs. More inputs and outputs. Of course, there's where the battery goes. So let's take the lens cover off here. You can see the lens inside there is nice and clean. Let's power it on here. So let's actually put it on camera here. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to take it to the beginning here, rewind it. Okay, because I'm going to record over what I've already recorded with. And then we put it back on camera. This is a test. This is a test. We are testing. Now we'll stop it. Put it back. Let's go over here and hit the rewind button. Let's hit the play button. So as you can see, it records, plays back fine. There's other video that I recorded. Now let's test the zoom functions. So, as you can see, it zooms in and out with the just using the zoom buttons here, but also, sorry for bumping the camera so much, if you turn the rings, they do what they're supposed to do. So zoom functions work. If you close this, look down inside there, inside the eyelet works. So there you go. I hope that helps.